Hello viewer, if your YouTube category filter bar disappeared, let's see how to fix YouTube category filter not showing problem. Step 1. Tap and hold on YouTube app. Click on I button. Scroll down. Click on Storage. Now from the lower right corner, clear cache data from YouTube app. Now follow the second step. Open your YouTube app. Go to your YouTube profile. Now go to YouTube setting. Now scroll down. Click on Help. Now click on Send Feedback from the lower corner. Click on Get Started. Allow one-time access. Now in the feedback section, write down, "Hi YouTube support team, my YouTube category filter bar missing. Please solve this issue." Then send your feedback. Now follow the third step. Open Google Play Store or App Store. Now search YouTube app. From here, update your YouTube app.